So we were approached by a company that manufactures gas nozzles. The gas nozzles are a multi-part assembly. The main part is a machine brass part. The machining oils create a ton of soil on the surface, so they're very dirty and has to be degreased. Brass naturally tarnishes, so these parts also had to be brightened at the same time. The process they were using were to degrease these parts in one process, in one part of their facility, move the parts to a separate process to do a process called bright dipping. Bright dipping is just simply a process of taking the brass and making it just look shinier and more glossy. The company itself had new restrictions on the types of chemicals they were using. Both of these processes use hazardous chemicals, and they needed to move away from those. So they approached us and asked us, did we have a solution that could reduce the cycle time, improve their manufacturing, and also help them to mitigate or get those hazardous chemicals out of their facility. One of the main issues with the bright dip process is it uses very harsh acids. These acids can quickly, if these parts are immersed too long, damage the surface of the parts, and once the surface is damaged, they're not recoverable. They just become scrap. The second issue with this process is the chemicals themselves give off hazardous fumes, and the hazardous fumes were not only an issue for their associates, but also were causing corrosion issues within their own facility. Final result here is we were able to implement a one-step cleaning and brightening process. We met their requirement for reducing their hazardous chemical and reducing their scrap rate significantly.